Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you on how to uninstall Windows Updates. Okay, so it's a very simple process. So you're going to go to your start button here and then you're going to search check for updates. Okay, open that. Now in this window, just ignore that I have an update. You can see here something called view update history. This is the same for Windows 11. Okay, you will have the view update history button. Just click on that. Okay, this screen might be a bit different for Windows 11. You might need to scroll down, but if you're on Windows 10, it'll be right here, uninstall updates. Just click on that and then it should pop up this window for Windows 10, and for Windows 11 it will be slightly different, but you should have all your updates there, and then you can just click here and click on uninstall. Okay, so once you uninstall update, make sure to restart your computer. If not, the uninstall will not succeed. So that's all for this video guys, a very short video, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.